States with the lowest home insurance cost. Now, this is a big deal, my friends. Look at that guy. Oh, hey, hello. Oh, itch in your ear. Watch what he does. Watch this. He's going to itch, and then he's going to lick. What is up with dogs? Itches his ear, and then licks his paw. Okay, knuckle. All right, we got to give him another look. There we go. Oh, it doesn't get any cuter. Don't you want your Pablo t-shirt? You can get it down below. Pablo's retired. Why aren't you? Get your t-shirt in the Doobie Duke. And this video, by the way, is sponsored by my retirement planning course. It's in the Doobie Duke. I've only probably given a couple refunds, man. I mean, if you want a refund, more power to you. I don't care. You know, so you get 30 days free look. I think the course is $250. It's still worth every penny, even though the course is 3 years old now, something like that. Worth every penny. At least that's what people tell me. Who might have said my own course is worth every penny? I don't know. Anyway, so my retirement planning course is in the Doobie Duke. You should buy that. Once you own it, it's yours, man. All right, anyway, so let's go into this. This is bestplaces.net. Wait, I thought it was premium. I thought it was premium. I guess my premium probably expired. I like bestplaces.net. I get a lot of fun out of going on here. I haven't been on here for a while, actually. Anyway, so I know for me, insurance, I got 4 kids. 3 are drivers, 2 are teenagers. One's a teenage boy. I got another teenager who's going to be driving next year. So my insurance on my cars and my umbrella and my home, I think we pay over $10,000 a month, a year for everything. It ain't cheap, of course. You know, my house is worth a pretty penny. You know what I'm saying? And we got 4 cars and we have teenage drivers. I don't drive very much, but you know, the facts are this stuff ain't cheap. I've had a number of people email me about property taxes going up and homeowners insurance too. And I said, yeah, but your homeowners insurance is going up because the value of your home's gone up. You know, the insurance companies are going to, give you the insurance rates from 1980 if your home's gone up to 2023. But anyway, I thought this is still a pretty interesting article nonetheless because I was surprised. The average cost of home insurance in the United States comes in about $2,000. Remember, the median square. This is the average. Everything skews towards the outliers. The outliers would be expensive homes, so the median is probably less, but the average, we'll just say $2,000. And remember, the median square footage of a home in the U.S. is about 2,300 square feet today. All right. Anyway, interesting, isn't it? Hawaii has the lowest home owner insurance, using a $300,000 coverage figure. Now that's again, so remember, you're not going to find a house in Hawaii for $300,000. Before you flip out, we're going to show you something. So basically, what we're saying is, if you take 482, all right, divided by 300,000 schmackaroonies. A lot of people don't get this, actually. Your homeowner's insurance is, what's that, 0.0016%. So if you had $1 million house, it'd be, what's that, $1,600, all right? I hope that makes sense. All right, so we know that if we have a house in Hawaii, it's going to cost us 0.0016. Obviously, if Oprah Winfrey's in your neighborhood, your homeowner's insurance probably go freaking $300,000 a year because we know Oprah. She likes to play with matches. Allegedly, does Oprah like to play with matches? Allegedly, for Maui, you know what I'm saying. Ain't nothing Oprah does is legit on the up and up. That's the fact. Or Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. All these guys are part of the cabal. That's a fact. I mean, they took the ticket. They sold their souls for rock and roll. All right, so here comes Oregon at 882. I tell you, Delaware, man, Delaware is just freaking, other than Bo Jiden, Delaware is just always in the best places. So 882 divided by 300,000 schmackaroonies. All right, you're paying 0.03. All right, so that's how I figured out. Interesting, is it not? Yes, it is, Josh. Maine offers one of the country's lowest annual insurance costs at basically about the same thing, about 3.003. Massachusetts, about 1,300 schmackaroonies. Here's West Virginia. Look at that, West Virginia. What? Virginia? But where's Georgia, dude? We're way down here. Look at that, Georgia. Why are we paying so much? We don't get tornadoes very often here. We don't get hurricanes very often here. Look at Alabama. So it's interesting. So look at Tennessee, all these places in the South. I guess maybe the hailstorms. Maybe where's Tejas? Yep, Texas. I knew it because all the hail that they get. Anyway, so Texas is 3,000. That's going to be what is that? 3,000 on 300,000. Yeah, 0.01. So 1%. That's what it is. So Texas is 1%, whereas Alabama is basically 2%. No, is one. Actually, what is that? Alabama is 2,000 on 300,000 schmackaroonies is 0.66%. There you go. And these other states are basically like right here, like Maine is basically whatever that is. So 1,000 on 300,000. What's that? Freaking 0.33%. 0.0033. It's crazy. Anyway, I thought it was interesting. So then we look at the median household. The median. Get out of here. Get out of here. There we go. And so we look at the median households. So we got New York is $819,000 as the median household value, home value. And that's as of August 2023. So we got New York 819. We come back here to New York, and I saw New York is up here someplace, right there. We take our trusty, where'd my calculator go? Take our trusty calculator. We say they pay $1,427 divided by $300,000, right? And then we times that by, what was the 819 is a median house. Is that right? It's New York, man. That's crazy. 819. So then we go to times that by 819. All right, we times that by 819. That gives us $3,900 on a basically $800,000 home. That's freaking nuts, dude. That's pretty cheap. All right, so now we go to Hawaii. Oops, home back over here. Hawaii's median is 720. All right, so in Hawaii the median is 720. So we take our trusty calculator, unless you live on Maui. So we say, where's Hawaii? Was 482 divided by 720. All right, and then we 482 divided by 300 times that by 720 times by 720, and you are paying $1,100 for homeowners insurance. That's freaking nuts, dude. That's crazy. Oregon's coming at 8. I tell you, Delaware. What's the median price of a house in Delaware? Just doesn't. Oh, you can't go with that, dude. Delaware is kind of where it's at. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Delaware, look at 327. Man, I think Delaware basically has one county as Republican, so that's where you want to live. Look at Delaware's way down. Here's West Virginia. Is that right? The median household. Wait, what is this? The median home price. That's what it says. Updated August 2023. It's a world population review. All right. I thought West Virginia had the lowest median. Maybe not anymore because all these people are moving into. I don't know if that's right. Bottom. I don't know if that's right, but I don't know. It seems like West Virginia had the lowest for that I can remember. And I don't think that makes sense to me. But anyway, it's pretty interesting. Where are they getting that data from? Let's see what they got here. However, the cost of homeownership can be startling. According to the Federal Reserve Board, the median price in 2022 is $428,000. That's right. Home values increased by 20% in the 12 months between October 2021 and May 2022. The median household income is $67,000 a year. That means the median family can afford only a mortgage of $250,000. Why can they only afford? Is that what with a debt to income of 35% or something like that? I'm not sure how they're getting that. Home prices are highest in the Northeast and West. Unsurprisingly, Hawaii, California, D.C., Washington, Colorado, Massachusetts, Massachusetts, Oregon, Idaho, states of right here, West Virginia. West Virginia boasts the county's lowest housing costs and its highest rate of home ownership. Well, that doesn't make any sense. But then they say, why they? I don't get it, man. I'm not sure what that's about. Maybe it's just for August of 2023. Anyway, there you go. So if you want to live in a state that has low property tax, it's going to be low homeowners insurance, low income tax. It's going to be tough to beat Delaware, man. It's just fact. Low sales tax. I mean, Tennessee's got no income tax. They got relatively low property tax, relatively low home value, but they do have a pretty massive sales tax. But if you don't spend a lot of money, because you're like me, you're wearing the same T-shirt and underwear from 10 years ago. I probably wore these when I was in the infantry. My underwears, I probably haven't changed. I'm probably in my same underwear from basic training in 1988. It's kind of creepy, is it not? Yeah. You know what we used to do when we were going out in the woods when I was in the Army? So we used to have these green T-shirts like this. This is a Heritage Wealth Planning T-shirt. And if you had to go, if you ran out of tickets, we call them tickets, S-H-I-T tickets, to go because you're out in the woods and you had to go, or you're out in the desert, wherever the hell you were, in the jungle, and you had to go to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? So you had to go, number deuce, had to take a deuce, and you ran out of tickets, because you're out in the woods. You're out there for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. What you do is you cut the bottom of half of your T-shirt and you use that to hopefully it's not recyclable, biodegradable or whatever, because you take care of you hug a tree, take care of your business, cut the bottom half of your T-shirt, do your business, and bury it. And hopefully that's biodegradable. Good times. How do you know I'm not still wearing my underwear from 1988? How do you know? I could be, and you don't know, man. How do you even know I even got underwear on? You don't know. You're just seeing me and this guy. Pablo! Well, that's why Pablo walked away. He said, Dad, all this talk about underwear, I'm getting out of here. Pablo says, you do. You smell like from 1988. Pablo's like, I'm out of here. Right. Love to hear your thoughts. What have you seen in your own homeowners? You seen a big rise? Let me know. Love to hear your thoughts. See you.